In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a component in Figma. Components are a fundamental feature in Figma that allow you to build reusable elements, greatly enhancing your workflow efficiency and ensuring design consistency across your projects. Think of them as master templates for specific design elements, like buttons, icons, or navigation bars. Once you create a component, you can duplicate it throughout your design, and any change you make to the original or master component will automatically update all of its duplicates, known as instances. This saves an incredible amount of time, especially in large projects or when working within a design system. So let's dive in and see how easily you can start leveraging this powerful tool. Our first step is to simply click on the layer you wish to transform into a component. In Figma, a layer can be almost any design element. This could be a single shape, like a rectangle or a circle, a text box, an icon, an entire frame containing multiple elements, or even a group of different shapes and text that together form a complete UI element, such as a full button with its text and background, or a card with an image and descriptive text. Before creating a component, it's vital to make sure you've selected all the individual parts that you want to be included within that single component. For instance, if you're making a button, ensure both the background shape and the text label are selected together. You'll know your layer or group of layers is selected when you see a bounding box appear around it, usually in blue, indicating it's ready for interaction. This selection is crucial as it defines the scope and content of your new component. Once your desired layer or group of layers is meticulously selected, direct your attention towards the right-hand panel in Figma. This is your Properties panel, where you'll find various options and controls for your selected elements, depending on their type. Here, you'll specifically locate and click the Create Component icon. It's easily recognizable as it's often represented by a diamond shape, which is a key visual identifier for components within Figma's interface. Clicking this icon will instantly transform your selected layer into a master component. You'll notice a significant visual change. The bounding box around your element will switch from blue to a distinct purple color, clearly signifying that it is now a component. This master component is the single source of truth for all its future instances. Now that you have your master component, you can easily drag copies, or instances of it, from the Assets panel onto your canvas.